Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So today I harvested these tomatoes. We are expecting a freeze in a few days. So I decided to go ahead and harvest the tomatoes and prune the plants um, so they can start regrowing again after the freeze. But because these tomatoes are not ripe, some are starting to ripen. These are Roma tomatoes. These large round ones, these are bush tick hybrid. And then I have the baby boomer uh, hybrid, these right here. So some of these, since they were cherry tomatoes, cherries do ripen faster, of course, they're small and all of that. So some of them they were ready. So I've separated those ones out, and the ones that were still green, or the ones that were just starting to turn the color, like this one, I've separated them out. And so I have these two baskets right here. See, so that's this large one is a bush tick. Let's I seem to have more bush ticks here. Okay, maybe most of the aromas are on the side. Anyhow, so what I want to do, I want to go ahead and ripen them on the counter. I've put bananas because as bananas ripen, they release a gas, ethylene oxide, which helps ripen fruit. So that's why I've put them with bananas. I'll see how they do. We'll see. I'll just keep an eye on them, and if they continue to do well, I'll take a picture every few days until as they ripen. I'll separate this out. I'll just leave this out here until I'm ready to process them. I'll either freeze them directly or I'll can them. I haven't decided how I'll process them. But we have quite a lot of tomatoes. This basket is full. See all the way at the bottom. And for these larger ones, I left. I did cut them at the vine. I wanted a little bit so they can a little bit of the vine so that they can ripen on the vine. But this one should be ready in a couple of days. These other ones, of course, will take time. The larger ones and the more greener ones will take time. But so this is our experiment for this week, and we'll see how things go. Okay. We'll keep an eye on these. All right. Okay, it's been a few weeks since I started ripening the tomatoes that I harvested. So I am done. I've been putting them in batches in the freezer, and these are the few that are left. So these ones will really, they won't ripen. As you can see, these are, I think they were still very raw. They were still very young when they were harvested. So this is all that we have left. So those I'll just put in the compost. But this is what we have. So these larger ones, these are the Bush Tech hybrid. That's aroma right there, and the small ones are the Baby Boomer hybrids. Those are here. So as they were ripening, I was putting them in paper bags and then putting them in the freezer. So these are all the bags that we have. So there's one bag there, then a whole bunch over here. So this, let's see. And this is the largest one. Okay. So I think this worked really well. I haven't decided if I'll make pasta sauce with them, but for now I'll just have them frozen. I've been cooking with them as time has been going on. It's been a month, I think, since I started this. I've been cooking with them. I'll decide if I want to make pasta sauce because I don't have much space left in the freezer anyway. But I think this went well. So these were my fall tomatoes. I started the seeds back, I think August 4th. I planted them September 4th or September 9th. It was Labor Day weekend. And I harvested them. It was, I think December 30th, because we were expecting a freeze. So yes, December 30th. And I let them sit on the counter here with some bananas. Bananas releases ethylene gas, and that is what helped them ripen. So, okay. All right. I'll stop this video right here. And thank you so much for your attention. And I will catch you all on the next one. Bye.